Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to learn about how to say very without saying very. বাংলাতে খুব বা অত্যন্ত বোঝাতে ইংরেজিতে আমরা সাধারণত very শব্দটি ব্যবহার করে থাকি। আজকের ভিডিওতে আমি শেখাবো very শব্দটি ব্যবহার না করে কিভাবে অল্টারনেটিভ শব্দ দ্বারা very শব্দটি প্রকাশ করা যায়। So let's get started. Very cold. তাহলে very cold এটা না বলে আমরা বলতে পারি freezing. freezing. Very hot. very hot এটা না বলে আমরা বলতে পারি roasting. roasting. Very tired. very tired এটার বিকল্প শব্দ হিসাবে আমরা বলতে পারি exhausted. exhausted. Very happy. very happy. Thrilled. thrilled. Very surprised. very surprised. Amazed. amazed. Very small. very small. Tiny. tiny. Very big. very big. Massive. massive. Very fat. very fat. Obese. obese. Very funny. very funny. Hilarious. hilarious. Very heavy. very heavy. Leaden. leaden. Very poor. very poor. Destitute. destitute. Very boring. very boring. Dull. dull. Very ugly. very ugly. Hideous. hideous. Very rich. very rich. Wealthy. wealthy. Very hungry. very hungry. Starving. starving. Very sad. very sad. Heartbroken. heartbroken. Very fast. very fast. Quick. quick. Very tasty. very tasty. Delicious. delicious. Very lazy. very lazy. Indolent. indolent. Very colorful. very colorful. Vibrant. vibrant. Very clean. very clean. Spotless. spotless. Very dirty. very dirty. Filthy. filthy. Very smart. very smart. Brilliant. brilliant. Very bad. very bad. Horrible. horrible. Very good. very good. Marvelous. marvelous. Very difficult. very difficult. Challenging. challenging. Very simple. very simple. Straightforward. straightforward. Very beautiful. very beautiful. Gorgeous. gorgeous. Very angry. very angry. Furious. furious. Very expensive. very expensive. costly, costly. Very old, very old. Ancient, ancient. Thanks for watching and like this video. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.